As we look at example 9, we'll see that it has a slightly more complex look to some of the ones from the front of the notes, but we notice that it's still a natural log, so our first thing will be to isolate our log expression. Now we're really taking the natural log of everything under that root, so we're already isolated, and we can go pretty quickly into the rewrite stage. So remember, with a natural log we have a base e that's invisible in this case, raised to the first power equals the square root of x plus 2. So at this point we're done with the rewrite in exponential form, and we just need to think about how do we get to the x, because keeping in mind that x is our variable and the e is a number. So how do we get to the x? That's how we're going to approach it. So the first thing we're going to consider doing from a solving standpoint is raising both sides to the second power to undo this square root. So when you raise a power to a power, a reminder that we multiply those exponents, so 1 times 2 is 2. The square root and the squared are inverse operations, so they undo one another, leaving us with x plus 2. To get x completely by itself, we'll subtract 2 from both sides, and this is our exact answer. We also will need to approximate it, and so we want to make sure that we test that on our calculator as well. So e squared minus 2, again remember that e is above the natural log, and then round to the thousandths, so 5.389 is our approximation.